Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another recap. This is going to be for May 20th through the 26th, so the weekend of Memorial Day weekend. If you haven't seen my plan with me, it'll be up here in a card somewhere and also linked down below, but only if I remember, which I probably won't, so it'll be on a card for sure. But I just want to go through the week, just the stickers I used and everything. Let me turn off my watch. Okay, so just real quick because I need to do this and I gotta go get my daughter because she's at preschool. And if you haven't seen my plan with me for this week, because I'm currently filming on Tuesday, she only has 2 days left and then she's a preschooler, so today and tomorrow. So anyways, if I'm not mentioning it, then it is from TheCraftyStudent. PR stuff will be down below. All links to who I mentioned and everything like that down below. That includes the inserts from AnniePlans. Almost everything is from the Crafty Student. This week I used Beautiful Day for the week. So let's get to it. So this week was the last full week of school for my daughter. She had a performance on Wednesday, which she did so good, and I cried. But I had a shitty day that day, as you'll see when the dailies come. I ended up changing the weekly compared to last week. So it changes just a little bit. I'm not going to keep it this way for June, though I'm starting to kick myself for not. Instead, I will have a full box of that. So, anyways, everything here is going to be from the kit or from one of her functional sheets, which to me, everything is functional from the Crafty Student. So, everything here is the Crafty Student, except for the little hand here, the car here, and the car there are from Planner Kate. Everything else is going to be the Crafty Student, as well as the sidebar. I decided to create my own sidebar. Still trying to figure out what I can do for the back. I think I might do like a running list of for the next week. That way when I do get closer to when I want to film my Playing With Me, I can also use that, or when I'm doing my sidebar. But at the same time, I'm really liking that I'm creating my sidebar like ahead of time and then just adding in. So anyways, which I do need to actually, no, I did cross up. Okay. So didn't have too much going on last week other than my daughter's performance. She's only 3.5. She'll be 4 in just a couple months. So yeah. It's actually, she'll be 4 on the second day of school. So, anyways, all this is going to be from the kit for the most part, but everything here is the Crafty Student. And on to the dailies. I like to do a running list. I like to start off with everything I have to do on each day, and then I just kind of add what I need to. Most of the time, it's from the previous week that I add first, and then add anything else I need to do that week, or I will, when I go and create the week, I will end up putting in my usual tasks that I do each day, but then I will also add anything I need to do that specific day, and then add anything from the previous week that I didn't do, or the previous day, I should say. So there's that. We went for a long walk, so I did that. I did cardio, because walking is cardio. So I did some filming. I had an important phone call. Melody had school. I actually cooked for once. Yay me. Had some Playing With Me's to watch. Tuesday, everything except for the backpack is the Crafty Student. This is Planner Kate. Which I think it might be close to being out, which I don't think I will use them for the next school year. I think instead what I'll end up doing is just seeing if I can find a backpack check just for weekly instead of doing it daily. but I kind of like doing the backpack too. So I don't know. We'll see. So everything here is going to be the TheCraftyStudent. It's time for the backpack again. We had maintenance come and inspect. They were supposed to do it like all week. Luckily, my apartment's 1001, so it's the very first one. So there's that. I even had a migraine that evening, and my husband was amazing. I took care of it. Took care of some things. Had a really bad day on Wednesday, as you can see, but I did get some cuddle time in, and I was able to upload a video. Let's see. Again, everything is the TheCraftyStudent except for the backpack. Another day where it was like things here and there. Horrible day on Friday. It just kept getting like good and bad and good and bad. I think that had a lot to do though with the fact that I got my period. So I think it was a lot of PMS. We had a chill day, but the thing about these, we were supposed to go to family's house on Saturday, and last second they decided to move it to Sunday. So I decided instead of like getting all frustrated, I just put in what the day was and do it like that. So Saturday I just went and did everything here, and then anything I did do, which will have the arrows, got moved over to the next day, so it would have been Sunday instead of Saturday. Yeah. Oh, and I finally won chicken feet. Yay! We used to play it all the time at his aunt's, except for when his grandparents moved out here. They moved all their stuff into her place, so we didn't have a table. They were coming over our place a lot to eat. And now that they have a house, and they've had a house for 2 years now, it's nice because we play chicken feet, and I finally won. I mean, we haven't actually played it that whole lot. We played more this past like 6 months than since they moved here. But anyways, so there's that, and yeah, I also got, oh no, that was the next day. But yeah, I got all that done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this rambly, fast talking video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I have this week's plan with me already up, and I will have that, like I said, in a car. I will also have my previous recap and haul. There will be another haul, but it won't be until later this week because it is running late because of the holiday. Otherwise, it would have been here today, and then I would have filmed it tomorrow and had it up tomorrow as well. So I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!